Today I am going to start a new section, that is section B of chapter 7. The name of the chapter is section is equation with three unknowns. Unknowns means unknown variables. So how to solve? Here it is given three equations. Three equations and three unknown variables. Before we got only two unknown variables with two equations, but here three. So how we will solve? Let's see the steps. So first equations we have taken is equation 1, second is equation 2 and third. There are three unknown equations. So first we shall eliminate the third unknown, that is z. Either you can eliminate x or y or z, but here we will eliminate z. How? To eliminate z, what we have to do is that we will multiply the equation 1 by 2. If we multiply the equation 1 by 2, we get 4x. That means multiply the equation 1, that means we will multiply by 2. In multiply by 2, we get 2 into 2, 4x. Here there is one coefficient, 1 into 2, that is 2y plus 2z into 3 into 2, 6. That means multiply both sides. So that the new equation forms we take as equation 4. Now to eliminate z, what I will do is that I will add the equations 4 with 1. Sorry, with equation 2. With equation 2. That means here to eliminate here plus and minus I will add, because I need to eliminate the same different signs. To eliminate different signs, what we need to do is that we will add. So after adding, what we get? We cancel it. In cancelling, remaining variables are what? After adding, we get 5x. Then here it becomes 2y cancelled from 3y, it gets plus y greater sign. Then this one already cancelled from here, same sign, so we add it. So we will take this equation as equation 5 of two variables. So next, so after eliminating equation 1 and 2, we got the answer as 5x plus y equal to 17, which is taken as equation 5. Next again we will compare the next equation, that is we need two equations of two variables. So what we need to do again is that we multiply the equation 2 by 2, then we get 2x plus 6y plus minus 4z is equal to 2 into 11 is 22, which is taken as equation 6. So comparing equation 6 and equation 3, we will see what is the result. Now in comparing, we need to eliminate z. Our motive here is to eliminate completely the z. So here also what we get is that by comparing equation number 6 and equation number 3, we get minus 4z and plus 4z. So in cancellation the signs are different, so we need to add. In addition, what we get is that different signs cancel, same signs added, different signs cancellations. So 6y minus 2y is equal to 4y. So let's see the sign. We were checking the sign, we get that greater sign is plus. That means greater value, that is the 6, and when you compare the 2, the greater sign is plus. So plus 4y. So this equation we will take as equation number 7. Now next what we need to do is that we will compare this equation number 5 and 7. Here from there we will eliminate. We will eliminate in such a way that we get the value of x and y from there. After getting the value of x and y, we will substitute in any one of these three equations to get the z. From there we will get the solution. So we will go to the next step. From the first steps of solution, we get that equation 5 and 7 are free from z. Now next we will see that if the equations are free from z, what it remains is only x and y. So involving x and y, we get 5x plus y is equal to 17, that is equation 5, and 5x plus 4y is equal to 23, that is equation 7, which we get by solving the above equations, that means by eliminating. Now from there we will see that this is completely free from z. Here 5x and 5x we can cancel, but here the signs are same. To cancel the same sign, what we do is that we need to do a subtraction. After subtraction we find that plus and minus, lower sign plus is changed to minus. All the lower signs will be changed with opposite sign. Plus minus, plus becomes minus. If there is a minus, it will become a plus. That is the opposite. So it becomes plus and minus, the new sign which is being changed, so it is cancelled. Here also plus y minus 4y. So when we solve, it gets minus 3y. That is taking the greater sign. Is equal to, from 23, 17 goes, then it becomes 7. We take the greater sign. 23 is greater than 17. So both sign minus minus is cancelled. Now we need to find the value of y. So in value of to find the value of y, here what we find is that 3 and y are attached as a multiplication. So it's a product. So when in the product or the multiplication, when it is side change, it becomes a divide. So after dividing, we get the value of y is equal to 2. Now what we will do is that we will see that the value of y, substituting any one of these equation in 5 or 7, we will get the value of x. After getting the value of x and y, we will substitute in any one of these equations to get the z. Now I will teach you how to find out the value of x by substituting the value of y in any one of these equations. So here what we will do, let's take the equation 5 as a substitute of y is equal to 2 to get the value of x. So now here I have written the equation 5, that is 5x plus y is equal to 17. We have taken the equation 5. Now I am substituting the value of y is equal to 2 in equation 5. So it's after substituting, what we get, that means I am putting the value of y is equal to 2 is equal to 17. Let's see what is the outcome of his answer to get the value of x. That is 5x is equal to 17 minus 2. That is x is equal to 15. Then here it is the product. When we get the sign change, it becomes a divide. And so x is equal to 3. So I got the value of x is equal to 3. Now from here what we get is we got the value of y and x. Y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Now this value we will substitute in the equation 1. Let's take equation 1 of the 3 unknown variables to find the value of z. Let's rub this one. After rubbing this, what we get from here is equation 1. Now I substitute the value of x. The value of x is 3. Value of x is 3 minus value of y remains 2. Then value of z is z. We did not get the value of z, sorry, so and equal to 3. From there after multiplying we get 6 minus 2 plus z is equal to 3. So 6 minus 2 is 4 plus z is equal to 3. So by transposing this one, z remains the fixed and we will transpose the 4, that is 3 minus 4 is equal to z is equal to minus 1. Therefore the required solution is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 1. In this way we will solve the remaining questions. So the remaining questions I will try to solve it out and it will be sent into your Myleap app and you try to copy from there. First we have learned how to solve by elimination method. Next we will see by cross multiplication methods. before going to solve the cross multiplication method, let's first see or highlight some of the formulas. So here we got 3 unknown variables. But in the formula also we can write into 3 unknown variables. But in the formula, let's see here how many 3 unknown variables are there. So A1 is the coefficient of x and A2 is also the coefficient of x. Here B1 is the coefficient of y and B2 is the coefficient of y. C1 is the coefficient of z and C2 is also the coefficient of z. Here what we'll do, to find out the value of x, we will close the x and we will try to cross only the B1 coefficient of B and coefficient of z. So in the x what we get is B and C. So if you cross again we get B and C. Again for the y we get A and C and C. For the z we get A and B and B and A. So for your easy knowing, what we do is that just for crossing what we do, if I take this B as 1, then this B will be 2. So this C will become 2 and this one will become 1. So it is crossed. 1, 2 means 2, 1, it is crossed. Here it is also 1, 2, so we can write 2, 1. Here also we can write 1, 2 and 2, 1. So it is crossed. So here what we will do is that first we will assume 2 equations. Equation 1, equation 2, so equation 3. 3 equations. From there we will try to first cross only 2 equations. You can cross either equation 1 and 3 or 2 and 3 or 1 and 2. Anyone, it depends upon your choice. So, but I will try first equation 1 and 2 to cross. So, here what we get is, we need to find the value of x coefficient, y coefficient and z. So, here I will write x, here I will write y house, then here I will write z house. So in the x house what we get is, x house what we get is, here I will cross this one and this one. Here it is minus, here it is plus. First we will check the sign. So minus 8 into plus 1 is minus 8. In between it there is a minus. So I will cross again this one. Minus 2 and plus 3 it becomes minus 6. Minus 6 into minus is plus 6. For the y, I will cross this x and z and up and down. So here what I am getting is, I will cross here plus 9 and plus 1 is 9 into 1 is 9 and here 1 into 3 minus is the parental sign which you cannot remove. So here it is plus 1 into plus 3 plus and plus is plus, plus and minus is minus. So here 1 into 3 is 3. For the z we will see crossing x and y. What we get is 8 minus into plus is minus. So 8 into 1 is 8. Parental sign minus is there. So I will check here now again. Minus and plus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Now numerical 9 into 2 becomes 18. So in solving what we get, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6 and z is equal to 10. Here we find some common factors. That means common factor of 2. That means we can cancel by 2. When I cancel by 2 it becomes 1, it becomes 3, it becomes 5. So the equation becomes like this: x by 1 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z value 5 is equal to k, let's say, is equal to k. Now from here what I need to do is that I will try to find out the value of x, y and z. That value I will put in the equation 3. After putting the value in equation 3, we can find out the value of x, y and z. Now we will see that we have taken x by 1 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z by 5 is equal to k. We have assumed that let it be k same. So what we get now is x is equal to 1 into k, y value becomes 3 into k, z value becomes 5 into k. This value we will try to substitute in equation 3 of our previous equations variables, that is 2x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 36. Now I will put the value of x here, that is 1k plus 3, y value I will substitute, that is 3k plus 5k is equal to 36. It implies 2k plus 9k plus 25k is equal to 36. So 9 to 11 plus 25 is 36, k is equal to 36. So k is equal to 36 by 36. After cancellation we get k is equal to 1. So by putting the value of k here, what we get, 1 into 1 is 1, and here k into 1, 3 into k, sorry, y is equal to 3 into k, so putting the value of k is equal to 1, we get 3 into 1, that is 3. Here in the place of z, 5 into k value 1, that is we get 5. So the required solution is 1 into 1. The required solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 5, which is the required solution. In this way you can proceed the next remaining questions. I will try to solve it out in a paper, and it will be all the answers of the questions, and it will be sent into your Miley app.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourself, do it for